Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw USDT from Exness in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will help you move your funds securely and efficiently. With the crypto world evolving fast, knowing how to handle withdrawals like a pro is essential for managing your investments. First off, make sure your Exness account is fully verified. This is crucial for smooth transactions and added security. Start by logging into your Exness account using your email and password. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Funds section. It's usually right on the dashboard. Next, click on the Withdraw option. You'll see a list of available currencies. Select USDT from the drop-down menu. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Keep an eye on any minimum withdrawal limits, which might be around $10 or equivalent, depending on Exness's 2025 policies. This is important. Input your USDT wallet address. Double-check it to avoid any irreversible mistakes. Crypto transactions are final. If you haven't set up a wallet yet, I recommend using something like Trust Wallet or MetaMask for safety. After that, you might need to verify the withdrawal through two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enable it if you haven't already. It's a game changer for security. Review all the details on the confirmation page, then hit Submit. Exness will process your request, and depending on the blockchain network, it could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. A quick word of advice: always withdraw to a wallet you control, watch out for transaction fees, and never rush the process. If you encounter any issues, check Exness's support page or contact their team. There you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from Exness in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.